Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the world of radio earmuffs, showcasing the top 5 models you can find on Amazon. Whether you're looking for exceptional hearing protection while enjoying your favorite tunes or keeping up with the latest news, these earmuffs have got you covered. Stay tuned as we reveal our top pick at a random number, and trust us, this one might just be the best product on the list. Links to all the earmuffs will be in the description, so make sure to check them out. Let's get started. On number 5, PROHEAR 033. Let's dive into the amazing features of the PROHEAR 033 FM/AM Bluetooth radio headphones. These headphones are built to last, made from durable ABS plastic with ultra-soft ear cushions and an adjustable headband that fits any head size comfortably. They boast Bluetooth 5.3 technology for a quick and stable connection, ensuring seamless streaming from your devices. Plus, the built-in hi-fi speakers provide an incredible music experience without compromising hearing protection. One standout feature is the FM/AM radio function. With high reception sensitivity, users can easily access their favorite stations, whether it's for a game commentary or music. The headphones have a noise reduction rating of 25 dB, making them perfect for noisy environments like construction sites or landscaping. Weighing only 0.82 lbs, they're lightweight and designed for long wear without discomfort. The rechargeable 2000 mAh battery offers up to 48 hours of playtime in Bluetooth mode, eliminating the hassle of constantly replacing batteries. In summary, the PROHEAR 033 headphones combine comfort, convenience, and excellent sound quality. They're ideal for anyone who needs hearing protection while enjoying music or radio. If you want to elevate your audio experience, these headphones are a must-try. On number 4, ZOHAN M042. Looking for a top-notch hearing protector that combines performance, comfort, and durability? The ZOHAN EM042 AM/FM radio hearing protector is a game-changer. Its advanced internal chip delivers the best radio reception while minimizing battery drain, so you won't be constantly changing batteries like with other brands. Comfort is key, and the redesigned headband is wider, thicker, and softer than ever. Plus, the ear cushions are snap-in design, making replacements a breeze. No more dealing with cracked or hard cushions, just comfort that lasts. Worried about durability? The ZOHAN M042 is built to last. Unlike some brands that lose knobs, this one features a push-button tuning system and reinforced volume controls, all crafted from military-grade materials. You'll appreciate its ruggedness during any task. And let's talk user-friendliness. It runs on 2 AA batteries, not included, and boasts digital AM/FM tuning with an LCD display. It can store up to 10 AM and 10 FM stations, making it super easy to find your favorites. With an impressive 25 dB noise reduction rating, it's perfect for noisy jobs like mowing or woodworking. This hearing protector makes work enjoyable, and it's a fantastic gift for anyone needing to protect their hearing while staying entertained. Grab the ZOHAN EM042 and make your workday more exciting. On number 3, EP003 AM/FM radio headphone. Experience unrivaled performance with digital AM/FM radio headphones designed for maximum convenience and enjoyment. These headphones feature a digital LCD display that shows battery life, time, and channel information. With the ability to store up to 20 AM and 20 FM stations, plus manual tuning and auto-scanning, finding and saving favorite stations has never been easier. Just remember, they require 3 AA batteries, so stock up. The NRR 26 dB noise reduction rating means serious sound blocking power, certified by ANSI 3.19 and CE EN 3521. With solid ear cups and acoustic foam, these headphones eliminate distracting noises, protecting your hearing during loud activities. Perfect for gardening, woodworking, shooting, or construction, these headphones transform monotonous tasks into enjoyable experiences. The durable push-button tuning system ensures you won't lose those pesky volume and tuning knobs. Comfort is key, too. The flexible, adjustable headband provides a snug fit, while the soft foam ear cups mold around your ears for ultimate comfort. Whether connecting to a mobile phone, MP4, MP3, or laptop via the 3.5mm AUX port, you'll enjoy uninterrupted audio. For anyone looking to combine safety with enjoyment, these headphones are a must-have. Say goodbye to boring tasks and hello to a world of sound. On number 2, safety earmuffs. Experience unbeatable hearing protection with these advanced headphones, boasting a certified NRR of 29 dB. Perfect for loud environments like gun ranges or industrial work, these earmuffs shield your ears from hazardous sounds, letting you find your peace even amid chaos. What sets these headphones apart is the built-in FM digital radio, complete with an LCD display. With channel memory and 8 preset stations, tuning into your favorite music or talk shows is a breeze. Plus, the volume control knob makes adjustments quick and effortless. Say goodbye to constant battery replacements. The rechargeable lithium battery provides long-lasting use, and the USB charging interface ensures that you can easily power up without hassle. The Bluetooth 5.0 capability allows for seamless, hands-free calling and music streaming from your phone or tablet. Imagine answering calls or enjoying your favorite tunes while still working. Talk about convenience. These earmuffs are not just ideal for mowing, they excel in any noisy environment, whether you're operating loud machinery or enjoying a day at the shooting range. With quick match radio, Bluetooth features, and a Type-C quick charge cable, these headphones offer top-tier protection and entertainment. If you need reliable noise cancellation without sacrificing enjoyment, these are the headphones you've been waiting for. On number 1, HP 10 FM AM radio headphones. Looking for the perfect blend of music and protection? The HOKAZOR HP 10 radio earmuffs deliver just that. Equipped with an LCD digital display, users can easily navigate through FM and AM channels, unlike other brands that rely on voice prompts. Plus, it can store up to 10 favorite stations, making it simple to switch between them. The HP 10 boasts excellent reception thanks to its advanced DSP chip and antenna, ensuring that your favorite stations are always crystal clear. With a frequency range of FM 88.108 MHz and AM 530, 17.110 kHz, these muffs let you enjoy music, talk shows, and news anytime, anywhere. And with 56 hours of playtime powered by 2 AA batteries, they're perfect for long work days. The noise reduction rating of 25 dB keeps harmful sounds at bay, making these earmuffs ideal for outdoor tasks like mowing or woodworking. They even feature high-quality built-in speakers that provide deep bass and stereo sound, filling your ears with rich audio even in noisy environments. Finally, the comfortable memory foam ear pads allow for all-day wear, making them not just functional but comfy too. Whether for yourself or as a gift, the HOKAZOR HP 10 radio earmuffs combine style, performance, and comfort in one sleek package. So guys, this was the video about the 5 best radio earmuffs. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. Thank you.